Okay, so you guys have sent us some really interesting stuff about galaxies, and today we're going to try to unpack all this information and try to figure out where we fit in this crazy huge universe.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it all really starts with one question. I mean, what is a galaxy, really?
Well, I think the best way to put it based on everything that we've been reading is it's like this huge gathering of stars and dust and gas and all this mysterious dark matter all kind of held together by gravity.
Right. Yeah, it's a huge, think of it as like an island universe with billions, trillions of stars all bound together.
And we live our cosmic address, our little island is the Milky Way.
The Milky Way galaxy, yes,
And there are so many stars in the Milky Way, it's almost impossible to grasp. Over 100 billion.
at least.
At least 100 billion. And here's the thing. Our solar system with Earth and everything on it isn't just passing by. We're inside the Milky Way.
Exactly. We're part of it.
We're part of it. Yeah, like we're in this galactic neighborhood.
We're located in one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way. So we're kind of looking out from within. And, it's like if you were trying to make a map of a forest while standing among the trees.
Right, right. And when we look up at the night sky and we see those distant stars, we're dealing with such incredible distances.
Incredible. Yeah.
The sources talk about light years, and it really hits home that the light from some of these stars, it took millions of years to reach your eyes.
Yeah, and that's a really fascinating thing to think about. When you look at those stars, you're not seeing them as they are now.
Right?
You're seeing them as they were millions of years ago.
Wow.
So you're really looking into the past. It's like a time machine.
Like a time machine, yeah. And so I think what's so cool about all of this is that, it's not just this unimaginably vast universe.
Right.
It's also this sense of deep time, right?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like time and space are intertwined.
And these galaxies aren't static. They're dynamic. They're constantly moving.
Yeah, and the Milky Way, it's rotating too.
It is, yes.
It's like this enormous cosmic whirlpool.
Yes. Think about that for a second.
It's hard to imagine. I mean, it takes our solar system something like, what, 225 to 250 million years to make just one rotation around the center of the galaxy.
That's right. That's what they call a galactic year.
A galactic year, and think about how many of those our planet has been through.
It's mind-boggling. It really puts our human history into perspective.
It makes you feel really, really small.
Yeah, well, it should. It should.
But we're also part of something so much bigger.
Exactly. And beyond our own Milky Way, galaxies come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, right?
Yeah, from these tiny dwarf galaxies to these huge giants with like trillions of stars.
Trillions. And that raises a very interesting point about the scale of the universe.
The observable universe.
Observable universe, yeah. Just as our Milky Way has billions of stars, there are also billions of other galaxies out there.
Wow.
Each a vast collection of stars, planets, and who knows what else.
It's mind-boggling.
It really is.
It's really mind-boggling. It's almost impossible to grasp.
And it's so much more than we can even see.
It's true. When you start to think about our place in all of this, it's hard not to feel, I don't know, insignificant.
Yeah, I mean, it's a natural human response. I get it. But I like to think of it this way. Even though we may seem small in this grand scheme of things, we are still a part of it, an important part.
We are, yeah.
You are located within a galaxy that is one of billions, and each galaxy holds mysteries and wonders we are only beginning to understand.
Yeah, and I think that's a great note to end on because this whole deep dive has really left me thinking about what else is out there.
And that's the exciting part. Our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving.
Always changing.
Always changing. There are countless discoveries yet to be made, both within our galactic neighborhood and far beyond.
So keep looking up, keep asking questions.
Absolutely.
And keep exploring the universe.
Keep exploring.
In your own way.
Absolutely. That's what it's all about.
Thanks for listening to The Deep Dive.